Hey guys, today I'm surviving a fucking bounty. It's going to be so tough. Loads of people are after me already. I had to climb up here and I got a plan. Anybody which is climbing the ladder, I shoot with my assault rifle, which has almost unlimited ammo. I think if they shoot that dangerous thing, I'll probably die. Well, let's find out. Nope, it won't. I just tried it. And the reason I can't show you guys the fun parts is because I'm actually holding my tablet as the camera. That guy's coming up here. Come up here and you'll get dead. Okay, let's see. Find out who's gonna be the top winner to get my bounty or not. Fuck this! Fuck this bullshit! Fuck this! You know I'm killing that guy. I'm killing that fucking guy. Screw this. Well, looks like that was a fail. I should have just climbed up to the top layer. That I have done. But if you enjoyed this episode, please leave a comment and like below and slap that like with your forehead. If you dislike 500 likes, 500 dislikes, I would totally kill you guys. I'll totally kill everybody. So I'm so poor on YouTube right now. So poor. So anyway, I'll see you guys in part 4. Thank you and goodbye.